I haven't seen my period since it's been a month now, say. Last time I had my period was on back in October. I had my period in October. I would say the third, fourth, like that. You know, that's when I had my period or whatever. I started my period, and I was on it for like 14 days, guys. 14 days. So, and now, like, I'm very late. Listen, I am using some form of birth control. Yes, we are. Like, I am on next
Guys,
Jesus.
it's Nexpanone.
I can't
I've learned how to pronounce it, yes.
English is not my first language, but I will type right here what I'm on. But let's just go ahead and take this pregnancy test. I'm not gonna do it on camera, shy. Let's go ahead and take this pregnancy test, and then we go from there. Okay. It says, cause I got this is the brand that I'm using. I always use this brand, guys. This is a brand, me and this brand, we are always together. So we're gonna have to read this in 1 to 3 minutes. This should be clear in 3 minutes. Whatever it says, we're just gonna go with that. And what? I'm not necessarily just gonna go with that, just because you can also get a false positive. Whatever situationship I do, I am also gonna go do some blood work just to confirm, because with even my last pregnancies and stuff, I've gotten negative results. Those pregnant the whole entire time, and it wasn't too. Okay, one of them we even had to do blood work, and the blood work was not. But the scan shows that I'm pregnant, even showing that I'm pregnant. So let's go ahead and see what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and flash. Okay, we're gonna flash and go from there. Yeah. And I'm gonna come back and show you guys the results. Okay, so
Guys, there was a little plus line at the back of that was like, it wasn't that bright, but I chose to believe that it was negative because, Dululu to Sululu, hey, I cannot be pregnant. Anywho, I did go to the doctor, which I forgot to go ahead and record, and they did some blood work, and they also went ahead and did a scan. I am not pregnant. Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.